Construct parallelogram PQRS given that PR is equal to 14 centimeter, QS is equal to 10 centimeter and the angle between these two is 60 degree. Observe PR is diagonal, QS is another diagonal and the angle between these two is given as 60 degree. So accordingly let us draw the rough diagram. Remember to name the parallelogram in the cyclic order. It's very important. PQRS. So now as the diagonals are given, I have marked the two diagonals PR and QS, and the longer diagonal PR is 14 centimeter and shorter one is 10 centimeter. Observe the midpoint of these two is O. And because of the property of the parallelogram, the two diagonals which intersect at each other's midpoint, the diagonal's midpoint is PO, making it PO is equal to OR, half of PR. Similarly, QO is equal to SO, half of QS. And the angle between the diagonals SOR or POQ is 60 degree, and they both are vertically opposite angles. As the other adjacent angle of this 60 degree is 120 degree, obtained by deducting 60 degree from 180, these two also, if instead of 60, if 120 degree is given also, we would get the same parallelogram. So let us construct now this PQRS. So the approach is, I have to first start with a diagonal, any one of the diagonal. So if I say choose to draw PR first, I would be drawing 14 centimeter PR. Now how to obtain the point O? It is by drawing the perpendicular bisector. Observe, the perpendicular bisector makes 90 degree angle with PR, whereas other diagonal is making only 60 degree angle. So let us see how to proceed with the construction. So using the ruler, draw PR equal to 14 centimeter. Start from 0. So measured 14 centimeter and name it PR and write the measurement 14 centimeter. Now before we draw another diagonal QS, we have to locate O, because we know that another diagonal QS, the QS passes through O. So I am choosing to draw the perpendicular bisector of PR. It is, whenever we draw bisector, take more than half of the line segment which has to be bisected and draw two arcs, one above and one below. Once from P, once from R. So that is how perpendicular bisector has to be drawn. So now use dotted line to draw the bisector, because we are not using this bisector for marking the diagonal, because another diagonal lies not on this bisector. So now we need to construct a 60 degree angle here at the point O. So this is the point O. 60 degree angle construction using compass. So we are not supposed to use the protractor. So at O, I have to construct 60-degree angle. So we can draw a semicircle and observe, if I draw 60-degree towards left side, it will resemble the rough diagram. If I draw towards right side, it may not, but still I will be correct, because 60-degree is mentioned as angle between the diagonals. Of course, it is one of the angles between the diagonals. So I will be marking from, as it is shown in the rough diagram, I will be marking from this end. You can observe here ROS is 60-degree. So I will be taking from right end 60-degree cut without changing the radius. So we are keeping the same radius as we have drawn the semicircle, and 60-degree angle line, this is the one angle line, should be drawn now. So orient it to O, and this is the angle line, 60-degree angle line, and this angle is 60. We have to locate now another diagonal along this line. So we have to measure it 10 centimeter. Obviously, from the midpoint it measures half of 10. So we have to measure OS 5 centimeter using the compass and the ruler, and adjust the compass to the radius 5 and cut from O. So one cut, one end, another cut on another end. See, this previous whatever perpendicular bisectors arc is overlapping with the cut which is made now, but I should know where exactly I have cut now, and I should use that as the vertex of the parallelogram. So this is Q, this is S. So join the vertices PQ, QR accordingly in the sequence. So join the vertices to obtain the parallelogram. Observe, I am not using the bisector because bisector is not part of the parallelogram. Yes, this is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Naming also is complete. This opposite SOR and POQ both measure 60 degree, whereas the other adjacent angle measures 120 degree. So even if it is 120 degree, parallelogram would remain the same. Construction method also almost same, because we are measuring 120 or 60, whichever it is, it comes as congruent and they are equal parallelograms. Yes.